Yes, Mom. I know Mother's Day is coming up. No, I'm not telling you what I'm getting you. Listen, Mom, my phone is blowing up. I love you. I will talk to you soon. Bye. Hi, this is Lauren. Thank you for calling Invest in Inquiry Institute. How can I help you?
Hi, Lauren. My name is Jen, and I'm looking to get started with investing. I've been saving for a while, but I feel like it's time to level up. Thing is, I'm just not quite sure where to start. Can you help?
Well, Jen, don't worry. I've got you covered. Women are taking control of their money more and more every day, and you can too. Women have always been present in the financial world. We've just been overlooked. My friend Jaclyn is a great person to help us explore this topic. Is it cool if I dial her in?
Of course.
Hello, this is Jaclyn.
Jaclyn, Lauren Simmons here. How are you? Do you have a second to chat?
I'm good. Just a busy day at the office. What's up?
My client Jen is also on the phone, and we're exploring how as a woman she can grow her money in easy but meaningful ways.
Hi, Jen. Of course, happy to help. You know this is my favorite topic.
Okay, let's do this.
First off, women have the power to grow their earnings beyond the savings account. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Since 2018, there's been a 50% increase in women investing outside their retirement accounts. Now, 67% of women are investing overall. But this isn't just about impressive stats on how many. Our fiscal performance has been impressive too. A recent study conducted by Fidelity Investments actually found that women outperform men by 0.4% annually.
So what's holding us back? Why does it feel like we're not having an impact?
Great question. I can take this one, Jaclyn. As it turns out, misconceptions are a large part of it. Some falsehoods seem to be preventing us from taking action. In a recent study, it was reported that 70% of women believe they need to know more about picking individual stocks. Spoiler alert, this isn't true. If you're just starting out, you can look at ETFs. When you buy into an ETF, you're actually buying a small piece of different investments, like stocks or real estate. By avoiding a single stock, you might reduce your risk.
That's right, Lauren. With any investment you make, you'll also want to minimize your risk by doing homework on what's right for you. Ask yourself questions like, is the company performing well? Do you align with their mission? How are women represented in their leadership? This is a critical step in investing, period, no matter what you're investing in. And remember, only invest what you can afford to lose.
All great, super helpful points, Jaclyn. I think I could take it from here. Thank you so much.
Of course, thanks for thinking of me.
Okay, Jen, so here's what we talked about today. Women are investing more than they ever have before. Investing may seem daunting, but with a little bit of confidence, reading, and platforms like Robinhood, you can get started very quickly. If you're a first-time investor, bundled ETFs can help simplify your investment choices by category, interest, industry, etc. They also are a way of diversifying your portfolio depending on their structure. Platforms like Robinhood make these easy to view and understand. Do your homework and research before making any investments. Only invest what you can afford to lose.
This was a huge confidence boost, Lauren. Wildly helpful. I'm so happy I called in. Now it's just time to get going. Thanks again.
Glad to hear it, Jen. Good luck to you, and call us back if you need anything else. Hello, Invest in Inquiry Institute.